back to my channel. I wasn't gonna make this video, but I had to go to Dollar Tree to buy some stuff that I needed, and I ended up finding some stuff that I haven't seen hauled before or seen on a shop with me, so I wanted to show you guys. These are their new items, and I will be including some of these in my giveaway. So first is this little dog. It's glass. It's like this little decoration, but it's so cute. Look at how cute this is. And I found it in gold as well. Look at how cute it is. And it's a nice size too, so it's a good little decoration for a room and office. Look at how cute these are. And I have been looking for these anywhere, not Dollar Tree, but like Target, whatever store I could find these at, and I just couldn't. It's these balloon dogs. Well, they're not really balloons, but they're the glass decoration. I have been looking for something like this for a long time, so I got the gold one. Look at how cute these are. And then I found the silver one. Balloon dogs are nice, decent. Well, these are pretty small actually. These are smaller, but these are cute too. And then I had found these balloon letters at Target before for $3, but it said fun. And today I found these XOXO. Look at how pretty this is. They didn't have gold. They only had it in that pink. They had it in pink and silver. So I picked up both as well. They didn't have it in gold though. I wish they would have had the puppy in pink as well, the little balloon dog, the dog balloon, because the word that I have, fun, which is also balloon style, is this exact color pink. So I would have loved to have the dog as well so it could all match together, but I mean, it didn't work out, so it's okay. Then I also found these vases. These are so pretty. Look at that color. They had it in the olive green and brown, and I believe orange, and this red, but it's so pretty. I'm planning on putting this in my table, maybe like with a little centerpiece that I had made last year, and I'll show you guys how I decorate my table. But yeah, this is so cute, and I picked just one up. They had different colors, but I just picked that one up. And then last but not least, it's this wreath. I had been looking for the dark brown one, but they only had one small one and it was all broken, so I couldn't take that one, so I decided to go for this one. I've only seen people use the darker color, the darker brown one, so I'm like, okay, well, let me try this one. So I'm gonna be doing a DIY, and I'll of course record it and show you guys, but that's it for today. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the cute little things I found, and in case you guys are interested, then check out your local Dollar Tree and see if they have them as well. With that being said, that's it for today. Sorry for the messy hair, but I wasn't planning on coming on here and showing you guys these until I found those awesome things. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know which one you like better. Was it the XOXO, the little pug, I think that's a pug, and the dog balloon? So which ones did you guys like best? Thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.